What's up guys, it's me Geek. So the question is that why I love the SONY Xperia XA camera more than the SONY Xperia XA Ultra, which have a dual camera, one with the wide lens same as the XA and second one is with the OIS. But the problem is that the SONY Xperia XA Ultra, the OIS camera quality and the stabilizer is same or even worse than the wide angle. For vlogging you need a wide angle. Wish there was a wide angle with OIS, really good OIS. I mean the quality seems is like identical, maybe 1 or 2% different. So, and second thing is that holding a 6-inch phone while vlogging is very hard. The phone is not easy to hold in your hand. Holding a 5.2-inch phone is really very easy, to be honest with you. Okay, I mean they are renovating the place. Okay, I have to go down on me. Yeah. This is the reason why I love the SONY Xperia XA camera for vlogging over the SONY Xperia XA Ultra camera. Yeah, SONY Xperia XA2 Ultra is here. The game has changed. Should you buy? Up to right now I have no first impression on the camera. I need to grab and then I can give my opinion. I have tried the XA2 Ultra camera and then I'm using my daily phone. I'm a person who uses a $1,000 phone and give out for XA2 due to the size, due to the battery life. It was me, Umair. Let's just subscribe and bye.